I'm going to tighten the nut. So that's how to fit a non-return valve, often called a double check valve. So now we've fit the double check valve, I'm now going to fit the isolation valve. So again, I'm going to use a pipe slice to cut the pipe. And I'm just going to deburr it. Whenever you fit an isolation valve, there is an arrow on it, and the arrow has always got to go in the direction of flow, otherwise it won't work properly. So we're going to undo the nut off that end and take out the olive. So we'll just slide the nut onto the pipe and then the olive, and then I'm going to actually make it so that the actual screw that you turn is facing that way, and then when you remove the bath panel it's easy to see it and it's easy to turn it off. So I'm just going to push the olive and the nut up, and I'm going to start to tighten that up. So now I'm going to grip the body using the water pump pliers, and then I'm going to tighten the nut up.